back to my channel for my yearly Disney villain makeup tutorial. I'm using Kiehl's Blue Astringent to remove oil from my skin to help the cheekbones I'll be doing stick to my skin, which is, according to Tony G, who was doing Angelina Jolie's makeup for the movie, the same one that they used on Angelina before applying prosthetics. For Maleficent and her mighty cheekbones, I'm using Grimace Derma Wax. I'm showing you how to do the makeup, but keep watching to also see how my Mistress of Evil costume was made. I'm using a spatula with a bit of Vaseline to stop the wax from sticking and blending it into my skin and shaping the cheekbones how I want them to look. So this is softer than the nose and scar wax, and the good thing with that is that it makes it so easy to blend into the skin for a smooth transition. But the downside is that you have to be very careful because they can easily go out of shape if you accidentally touch them after they're done. So only go for a aloof air kissing when you wear this look out, and not any of that friendly hugging. Love doesn't always end well, beastie. Right at the end, I heat up a spoon in hot water, wipe it dry, then make sure it's cool enough so you don't burn your skin. Apply Vaseline to it, and as heat melts wax, it will help smooth it. I'm using Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Alabaster to highlight and very carefully applying it to the cheekbones using a sponge. Don't use any pressure as this will distort the shape. Don't ruin your cheekbones. I'm then using a very pale foundation on the rest of my face and very carefully beneath the wax cheekbone. Apply highlighter to your nose, up to your forehead, and I'm also applying it on my chin to make my face appear longer. I'm then using a lot of powder below the cheekbones to stop the wax being sticky, followed by Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder in medium. I'm also contouring my cheeks slightly to emulate Angelina Jolie's natural shadows. Now eyes. I'm using a pale color below my eyebrows and on my lid. Then Bobbi Brown eyeshadow in grey on my crease and in towards my nose. Apply black eyeliner where I'm showing you and smudge it. Use a slightly grey-brown dark eyeshadow such as Bobbi Brown in Rich Espresso. Use it on your crease towards your nose and below your eyes. Follow with black. I noticed that they used a light skin colored pencil just below her iris to make her eyes look even more intense, so I'm doing the same. Then some eyelashes. These are by Kiss and called Little Black Dress. Add mascara as well. I'm using Note Eyebrow Pencil in brown to reshape my eyebrows. Maleficent's eyebrows have a very distinctive arch. Use some concealer to sharpen the edges, and I'm also using it to color some of my own eyebrow hairs that don't go with the shape. Lastly, I'm using MAC lip pencil in Cherry to draw the lips. Angelina's lip shape is big and rounded with a very small cupid's bow. The perfect color I found for Maleficent is the Armani Lip Mastro in the red. Now, to quickly explain how I turned my outfit into the one she wears for Mistress of Evil, I bought a lot of fake raven skulls from eBay in different sizes. I used air dry clay to extend the beaks on the biggest raven skulls in a few different sizes and painted all of them with a bone color using Belton spray paint in Sahara Beige Light, which is a bit of a yellowy white. I painted the end of the beaks with a copper color, and they were then hot glued onto a stiff fabric. I bought massive black angel wings from Amazon, which was only about $30, which I customized with help with my boyfriend. I made the horns using air dry clay and painted them, then cardboard to extend the tips, pipe insulation on the side, hot glued the horns, stiff cardboard to strengthen the wings at the back, and then covered everything with feathers. I also glued one skull to a Maleficent headpiece I bought from Amazon. All products and costume pieces are in the description.